Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everybody to this meeting. Today, today, inshallah, we are going to discuss and learn about functions. Last lesson we have studied equations, and that we studied that equation is like a relationship with two sides, with equal two sides, right? So, for example, we have to say, we used to say x 2x, for example, equals 4. So this in this case, x equals what, 2, right? So this is called equation. But what is the function? What is a function? Okay. To know what is a function, um, there is something called function machine. Function machine is simply like, the old calculators, the calculators that do only the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division, but not like the modern calculators, like those who perform like functions, draw graphs. No, we are talking about the old calculators, those perform or carry out only the arithmetic operation, mathematical operations. So function machine simply work like the an old calculator. For example, this is the function machine. Okay, for a function machine, there is an input and output. Okay, input and output, and in the middle we have the function machine, or we call it the rule. Okay, okay. To clarify this, with the, for example, the old calculator, for example, if you insert or if you enter 2 plus 2, this means 4, right? So
Yeah.
what was the input? 2 and 2, right? What was the output? 4, right? Yeah, the output is the answer. Okay, so now what is the rule or the operation? The plus, right? The plus was the uh, the operation. So the same goes with the function machine. Please mute. Okay, so the same goes with the function machine. With the function machine, for example, let's consider we have this function machine. Here is input, here is output, and in the rule inside the function machine, for example, let's say we have add 1, or let's say multiply by 2 and then add 6. Then add 6. Okay, so our rule now is what? What is our rule in this case? Open the mic and speak. Multiply by 2 and add 6.
That's 6.
Okay, this is our rule. So what is our input and what is our output? Not defined as yet, right? So any
Yeah.
number can enter to the function machine, to the rule, right? And then
Yeah.
something will occur or carried out inside the function machine, some mathematical operations according to the function, right? What is our function? To multiply by 2, then to add 6. So
Yeah.
after the mathematical operation are carried out, then we are going to get what? The output. The output
Yeah.
is going to be produced, right? So
Yeah.
how can we mathematically represent that? The rule is now is multiply by 2. Okay, this is multiply. What is the number you are going to multiply?
Is
You don't
anything
know the
four?
end, the input, right?
Yeah.
The input is going to be multiplied by 2. Then, so we represent the input as unknown variable, which is x.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we are going to add 6. So this is our rule.
Yeah.
So this is the function machine, and this is the input. This is the output. Now, how can we represent that? Let's take this example. Wait. Okay. Now the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are entered into the function machine shown here. Okay. The question is calculate the output in each case. We can perform this using the table. Okay. We can say we have the input and the output. So what are the inputs in this case? What are the inputs?
Input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to insert the inputs here to the function machine right here. So
Yes.
each input is going to be replaced by the x, because the x represent the inputs or the unknowns in the function machine. Okay, so in the case the input is 1, what is going to be the output? Abdurrahman,
Yes, teacher.
what is the output? What will be the output in case the input is 1? Wait, Abdullah, wait, let Abdurrahman try. According to this rule, replace x with 1. Do you know how to replace x with 1? Abdurrahman,
No,
do you know?
no.
Okay, Ethar, what is going to be the output if the input is 1? What you need to do is to say 2x plus 2x plus 6. This is our rule. So the input is going to be replaced with x. So we are going to say 2 times 1, right? 2x means 2 times x. Now x is 1. Okay? Is that clear? 2 times 1 plus
Yes.
6. So 2 times 1 is 1, right?
Teacher, plus, not time.
Sorry? This is time.
Yes,
2 times 1,
it will be 7.
it will be 8.
Oh, yes, yes,
8. 2 times 1, 2 plus 6 is
yes, yes.
8.
8.
So the output is 8 in the case the input is 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Genna, tell me what is the output going to be if the input is 2? According to the same rule, 2x plus 6. If the input is 2, so 2 is going to replace with what? Open your mic.
The answer is 10.
Very good. It's going to be 10, the output 10. Why? Because you replaced x
Because we multiply
with 2, the input, right? Now we
Yeah.
have the input 2. So the output will be 2 times 2 plus 6. This will be 10.
10. Yes.
What about if the input is 3? I
It will
want
be 12.
Hatem
12.
12, right?
Yes.
Because 2 times 3 is
We
6
will
plus 6
replace
is 12.
3.
Good. Rayan, what will be the output if the input is 4?
Teacher, I don't understand.
Who are you, Yahya?
Yeah, Yahya.
Okay, Yahya, we said that the function machine is like this. Wait, do you see it? Do you see? Yahya.
Yes, teacher. I see.
Okay, we have input, we have function machine or rule, we have output. Okay?
Yeah.
So our rule or our function machine contain a rule like this now in this time, 2x plus 6. Okay?
Huh?
Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, 2x means 2 times x plus 6. So what is x?
X is 1.
X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, right? We can consider
Yeah.
any number to be x. The input is x. Okay, the input. All right.
Yeah.
And the output is the result. The result from this rule. For example, if the input is 1, so what will be the output? We are going to make the x1, right? We are going to make x equals 1 if our input is 1.
8.
So the output will be 8. Why? Because 2 times
1.
equals
Plus
2 plus 6 equals 8.
Yes.
Exactly. Ryan, what will be the output if the input is 4?
14.
Okay, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Exactly. Ithar, what will be the output if the input is 5? Replace x with 5. 16. Right. Why? Because 2 times 5 plus 6 equals 16.
Yeah.
Iman, in case the input is 6, what will be the output?
It will be 18.
18. Exactly. Good. Now you got the meaning of input, rule, and output, right? And the function machine.
Yeah.
Yes, Omar. You want to say something? Okay.
I was want to answer.
Okay. What, Omar? What will be the output if the input is, for example, 10?
10.
Mhm.
26.
Good. Exactly. So we can represent the information in the table. Okay. Information means the output and the input. And we can also represent the or show the information in a diagram called mapping diagram. So we can also represent information using mapping diagram. All right. Mapping diagram is like this. We have input, we have output, and we have the rule. What is our rule in this case? What is our rule?
Our
Time
rule
2
is,
and then plus 6.
2x plus 6.
yeah,
Okay, let's write it here. What are our inputs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yes.
yeah.
So in case we can refer to this table to complete the mapping diagram. So in case of 1, the output is going to be
8.
what? 8.
Yes.
So we draw like this, an arrow with a line with arrow like this. In case of 2,
10.
10, 12,
12. 14, 16.
14, 16, and 18.
18.
We plus 2.
Okay. This is called what?
This is called a mapping diagram.
Mapping diagram. Okay. So we can use a table or mapping diagram to show the information of the function machine. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please write.
Yeah.
I want you to write that in your notebook.
Teacher, right?
Yes, right. I'm waiting for you to finish writing. This example or this exercise says in the following questions, a number of machine is given. The input numbers are listed in the table, so calculate the output values. Here we have what? What do we have here?
Add
On the
Number machine,
Yeah.
right? The number machine. What do we have in the function or number machine? Add 1, then multiply by 2, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So who can describe this rule? Who can tell me what is the rule here?
For example, 0.
No,
We
no,
add
the rule.
1.
What is the rule? The
Is
operation.
1
1
plus. Oh no. Time 2.
time 2.
Yes.
Time 2. Like this?
Yes.
Okay, but we have missed something. How are you going to place, we're going to replace the inputs? We need x, right?
Yes.
yeah.
So
I mean,
1x, then times, this is time, to not be confused with the x,
Okay.
so I'll represent time like this. 1x times 2, okay?
okay.
So 1x means x times
Yes.
2.
So
So this is our rule in this case, right?
yes.
Yeah.
So please try to finish this in your notebook right now.
In the homework, teacher.
No, right now.
In the classroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want Aisha to participate in this exercise. Aisha, do you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
understand the question.
What?
I didn't understand the question rule.
Okay. The question says, calculate the
Teacher.
outputs. Who is you?
Abdullah.
No, I'm Isa.
Okay. Ithar didn't understand, or who didn't understand?
No, the question. I didn't understand the
You
question.
didn't understand. Aisha is not here today.
No, teacher, I'm here.
No, she.
Hmm.
Teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Because I'm confused with the some names. Yahya, you are joined with which name? Okay, no problem. Ithar, look here, Ithar. We have here the function machine. Is it clear? So we
Yeah.
we extracted the rule from the description inside the function machine. Okay. We have said the function, the rule of the function machine is x times 2. Was that clear?
Like, we are gonna multiply the number with,
Exactly.
and then
Oh, but
we are
we
gonna
have
add
missed,
it with
guys, our rule is not correct. We have to add 1, then multiply by 2. Where is addition? Okay.
Yeah, I was confused.
That's why you were confused. Okay.
Okay. Plus 1 and
Add 1 to the,
The question.
add 1 to what? To the x, right?
yes.
X
Yes.
plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
add what?
Then
add,
multiply.
Then multiply
Time
by
2.
2.
2.
So first we have to add.
Yeah.
Next we need to
Yeah.
multiply. But
Yeah.
do you remember, according to the order of operation, in this case, like this case, the multiplication should be done first, right?
Yes.
But
Yes.
we need to do addition first. What should we do? We
Teacher,
have,
this is not.
huh? What did he say? Abdullah?
No.
We need to add
Uh,
brackets, guys, right?
Yes.
Why? To make addition to be carried out first. Because according to the rule, addition should be carried out first. Okay? So that's why we have to make the brackets with the addition. Okay? So
okay.
according to the order of operation now, brackets must be carried out first, then multiplication. Okay? Now the rule is correct. Inputs are here in the table. Now what will be the outputs? I want Bara. Are you with us? Can you tell the answer? If the input is 0 now, what will be the output? Anyone can tell the answer?
It will be
If the
2.
input 2. Why? Because 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is
2.
2.
Yes.
What about if input is 1?
Oh. It will be
Omar?
Yeah.
Okay.
4.
4. Why? Because 1 plus
1
1
multiply 1
times
plus 1 is 2. 2
so
multiply
it's
2
4.
4.
What will be the output in case the input is 2?
6.
6. Why? 2 plus 1 times
3.
2. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, in case the input is 3. Iman?
The answer is 8.
8. Because 3 plus 1 times 2. 3 plus 1 equals 4 times 2 equals 8.
8.
Right? So we
Yeah.
keep up to the outputs. So this is the answer of the question. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to give you a homework, and please write down that in your notebook right now. Homework. $75. Question 2, question 3, question 4. Please generate the outputs of the function machine or the rule using the table, and please use the mapping diagram as well to find the output, okay? To represent the output.
Okay.
Okay, finish writing.
Teacher, we do the homework in the notebook or the book.
It's going to be if you because I asked you to do the mapping diagram, so you are going to draw that in the notebook. Okay, or you can just write the tables in the book and draw the diagrams in the notebook, only the diagrams.
For the one, we do one with the mapping diagram and one.
Again, sorry, I couldn't hear you.